There.
You might need to move over a little bit more.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
You can be behind me.
Mm.
You can...
Hi! Hi, Bridget!
Hi, Bridget.
We've decided that we are going to make Quinoa chocolate chip biscuits. I actually made these last night and they were an absolute hit, so I'm going to make some more for freezing.
Mummy, I want you to turn it this way so I can see it.
Oh, but I'm turning it this way so the people on the camera can see it.
I want to see too.
We can put you...
I can't see it.
You can see. Look. Can you see it?
No, I can't.
Oh, that's going to be interesting. Let's see what Bridget's saying. Hello, Eva. You're a sweetheart. That's nice of you. Thank you so much. Shall we sit here? And you can see the camera and you can see the screen. It's going to be interesting, but sit there, cross your legs. Right, should we start, shall we?
Yeah.
So, we have to preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. So Mum's already done doing that now. Line 2 large baking trays with baking paper and set aside. I've already done that.
Yeah, can I press the next button?
Oh yes, you can press the next button.
I want to press the buttons.
Okay, yeah. You love pressing the buttons. You're so good at cooking with the thermomix, aren't you? Did you know she actually showed Dad how to make the salads last night, didn't you?
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Mummy,
Yeah?
we got 1, 2, 3 bananas left.
You do. Do you want to talk to the screen?
Hi.
So, we're going to pop in 90 grams of extra virgin coconut oil, which is not olive oil, so we will go with the coconut oil.
Here.
Now, see how it's on 2? What do we need to do to make it go on 0?
We need 100 grams.
No, we press the tear button underneath here and it will make it go to 0. Yeah?
0.
Oh. Probably doesn't help because Eva's on the bench. Alright, so it's at 0. And we will start putting in our coconut oil.
Why do you got 2 spoons?
So that I don't dirty my hands. How's everybody today on Sunday? It's Father's Day today. We
Father's Day.
yeah, we made, well, I made I made Dad a card and you made the turtle that went in it, didn't you? You coloured it in and you drew your pictures for Dad.
Yeah, but I didn't put the turtle in.
No, Mum put it together, didn't she?
Yeah.
And he's had to go off to a car accident, so we're at home and making more cookies for him to have and some lunch for when he gets home.
Yeah, because he's helping Bridget.
He's not helping Bridget, he's helping someone that's had a car accident. Right,
No.
now it's your turn.
No,
I've put the 90 degrees coconut oil in. You press next. Insert measuring cup into mixing bowl. So we'll do that, and then can I get you to press next? And then we're going to turn the speed selector. Oh, you know how to do it, don't you? Well done. I don't even need to tell you how to do it now. So it's already set up to go. So it's had 2 minutes at 60 degrees, and it's going to go for stir it for. It's on number 2. So it's already set up, and she's just gone and turned the knob, and it tells you the green line where to turn it. And yeah, Eva's done that, so it's easy peasy. So it's just melting the coconut oil at the moment. Yeah, so we're in Hawke's Bay and it's actually a really lovely day today. It's just gone a bit overcast, but still pretty nice.
Mum, I'm telling Rocco and Lily to quiet.
You're telling them to quiet. They are being quiet.
Well, they were barking.
They were barking, were they?
They were barking before.
I didn't hear them barking.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
So you didn't tell everybody a little story?
No.
No? No. You've got sauce all over your face.
No.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah. How's everyone's Father's Day today? Have you been up to anything exciting, or have you got anything planned? It's nice and rainy here. Are you in the South Island, Bridget? What are you doing? Okay, so it looks like my my battery's going to go flat, so I'm going to have to figure out how to get that to work.
Are you going to try it while...
You talk to them while I get the...
Yeah. Charger. So my mum will be back soon, Bridget. Okay, Bridget.
And tell them it's singing that it's done.
Done.
Press
Done.
next.
Next.
Just no, wait. Just once.
I didn't hear it go.
So it's just singing to us that it's finished melting the coconut oil. So now I'm just going to, hopefully I can do this. Put the charger on.
Put the charger on. Charger on. So. Oh, Mum, be careful of that. This is special, remember?
Yeah, it is special.
Yeah.
Right, we're nearly there. Bear with us. There we go. Can we see the... Here we go.
I
Cool.
can't see.
Well, you just need to help me. So you just need to see this part.
Yeah.
This is the most important part, okay?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, so we've done that. So it's telling us, I'll just check. Yep, so it's just telling us to add 160 grams of quinoa. It's quinoa. It says it's called, I've been corrected, it's called quinoa.
Mum, where is the coconut oil?
It's melted in there. You can't see it because it's gone clear.
Oh.
But I do say it is quinoa just because that's how it reads to me. And I think everybody knows what I'm talking about. So it's quinoa, 160 grams. But
we have to add that.
yeah, we have to add this 160 grams. So I've tiered it so it's at 0 grams.
How much do we need?
160. Can you count it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. Is that 4?
Nearly.
1, 2, 3.
Whoops. Can you tell me what that number says?
Oh, is that 5? What's it change? 1, 6, 6, 5.
1.
1, 6, 5.
165. Good job.
Wait.
So it's a little bit over 160, but that's okay. It's guided cooking.
now?
It's not going to be the end of the world. Pardon?
Was that 4 now 5?
Yeah, it's because when you lean on the bench, it's making the scales uneven. So click next. Cool, and then we want 50 grams of desiccated coconut.
Desiccated coconut.
See if you can tell me when it's at 50 grams. Just stay still.
50.
You sure?
A little bit too much.
Yeah, how do you know? Can you read the number for me?
5.
You have to go, yeah, do it now.
5, 5.
Yeah, so a little bit over again. Now you can press next. Whoops, one too far. cool. And I love that you're learning while we're doing this. It's awesome. So now we want 80 grams of wholemeal self-raising flour. Now I do not have that, but I do have wholemeal flour, so I'm going to put 80 grams of that in and a teaspoon of baking powder to make it self-raising.
And we also need chocolate.
Do we?
Yeah.
I don't think we should put chocolate in this one.
Why?
Oh, I think it's yucky. What do you think?
I love chocolate.
Do you? Right, so we need 80 grams. Whoops. I wasn't watching. There we go. What does that number say on the screen? Can you read it without leaning on it?
8, 1.
Yeah.
So is that how much we need?
Yeah. So can you click next? And a teaspoon of baking powder.
I want to do that. Can I pour it in? I'm going to put it in. Can I, Mum?
Yeah, just be very, very careful and pop it in.
Quickly.
Yeah, that's done. Right, just stay there so you're out of the screen. So now we want 100 grams of pure maple syrup. Now I am going to make this 30-day approved because I'm going to be freezing them, and I'm doing the 30-day nutrition program. So I'm just going to get myself prepared for that and make sure that I've got lots of really good food, so there's no excuses for me to be looking after myself and feeling my absolute best. So right, we're going to tear that, and we want 100 grams of
maple syrup.
Yeah, but I'm switching it for brown rice syrup.
Why?
To make it healthier.
Do we need 100 grams of that?
Yeah, but there's not 100 grams, so we're going to have to open another one.
Do we got 2?
Yeah. Whoops.
Do we need a lot, 100 grams?
Mum's making a mess. I'm not a baker.
I'm a baker.
Yeah, you can do this when you're older all by yourself. So that's why I'm teaching you now, so that I don't have to do it later on. Yeah? Good deal?
Yeah.
You happy for that? Right, sweet. We'll clean that up later. Next.
What does it taste like?
What does it taste like?
Tastes like maple syrup.
Yeah. Next. I want 2 eggs.
Can I open the egg?
Yes, you can. But you need to be very careful and listen to Mum. 1. I'm going to do it at the same time, so you watch what I do and we'll do it together, eh?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to tap it.
Tap, tap, tap.
Yeah, I'll get you to come around here. I'm just going to get you to tap it on the side. And it's got a little hole. A little bit more. Now watch Mum do it. So see there's a little hole. I'm going to put my fingers in there and gently pull it apart. And then break it in. So we'll just do a little bit more. Is there a hole? Yep. Now you can put your fingers in. 2. Yep. Do it over this hole. There you go. Good job.
We need 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Mum, can I wash my hands now?
Yep. There you go. Right. What do we want next? Is that alright? Okay, so while she's doing that, let's see who we've got on. Southland. So Bridget's in Southland and it's raining on the farm.
Not our.
And not too much happening for Father's Day.
Nope.
No. Okay, so next.
Next.
Insert measuring cup into mixing bowl lid.
I want to do that.
Next. Now what are you going to do?
turn it.
Turn the knob. So it's already set up for us at 10 seconds. Who's next?
I'm cooking all by myself.
You are. So it's already set up for us to do what it needs to do. So it's just
I do it?
stirred it for us.
I want to do it.
Hey babe, can I please do this? Because it just needs a precise hand. Yeah.
I have the same hand as you.
I know, but we just need to teach you how to do it. You can watch me do it.
No.
No? Okay. Well, you can't learn if you don't watch. So I'm just pushing that down. So what I love about this machine, oops, sorry, it's already set up to do whatever it needs to do.
Mummy.
And I can actually...
Mum, can you put this down? What happened to your elbow? What happened?
What happened to it?
Yeah.
It just grew. It's just my elbow. Yeah.
What happened?
Can I finish cooking this?
Bruising.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's bruised. No, it's not.
Looks like.
It's just maybe needs some moisturiser on it is all. Right, so next, insert measuring cup.
I want to put it on. And then I want to press next.
Yeah. Right. So it wants 50 grams of dark chocolate chips. Now we have to tear that, make sure it's at 0. And we've only got these, so we're going to put them in. No, because if you eat them there'll be none left. Just wait and see if there's any left over.
Not too much, okay?
Well, it says 50 grams, so I'm going to put 50 grams in. Right. And can you press next? Yes, there's some left over. You can have them at the end. Right.
I can have some dark chocolate at the end.
Yeah, so go next. Right.
Turn it up.
Yep.
Funny noise.
Yeah. So that's just done it for 3 seconds. So what I was trying to say is I really love this for baking because there's no mess. Like you're nearly 5, Eva. Yeah. And she's helping me, but there's not a big huge mess everywhere.
Mum,
so that's awesome.
I'm 5. I'm 5 and 5 weeks.
Yeah. 5 and 5 weeks.
Yeah.
You could be right actually. 1st of November.
1, 2, 3,
No,
4,
but a
5,
bit more
6.
further away than that. Right, so that is all
mixed.
Yep, so it's all mixed and ready to go. So now all we need to do, the oven's preheated, is get in there, get some walnut sized balls, roll them up and stick them on our trays and then flatten them a little bit and then bake them in the oven for 20 minutes and they are delicious.
Mum, can I have some
I will do that off camera.
Mum, can I have some dark chocolate now?
Yeah, in a second. We're just going to say goodbye to these people.
Yeah.
So I will do that part off camera because I actually need the bench space to be able to do it. So yeah, if you've got any questions on anything that we've been doing today, let me know. But I hope everyone has the most amazing Father's Day, Sunday. Yeah, and we'll see you next time when we jump on and do some cooking. Yeah, you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks, Bridget.
Thanks, Bridget.
And thank you everyone for joining us.
Thank you, everyone.